Okay. So in morning time we give a lot of work for you.
Yeah. Next time we'll come earlier so we can work harder, huh? Pretty easy stuff.
Now, did you plan it?
Well, just like this. I mean, it's not like I really planted a tree.
This is a tree rain
Yeah.
made it this one. And all is standing.
Oh, good.
Thank you so much, brother and sister. Call. ಹುಷಾರು ಕೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗು ಅವ್ರ ಎಮ್ಮನ ಮೇಲೆನೆ ಬರಬೇಡ ಹಾಂ